Hello everyone. Last time we looked at junk mail, we had to make sure everything was in your inbox where you wanted it to be. This time, we're going to look at some of the common traits of fake emails. And as you can see, we have an email there that says we have a tax refund from Trevor the bot. There are things to check. When the bank account link is moused over, that is to say the mouse cursor is above the link, you'll be able to see in the bottom left corner that actually goes to our website. Now we've clicked it here, and as you can see, it goes directly to our website, so always please check exactly where that link you're going to click goes to before you click it. The other thing, of course, is to make sure you check the email address that's come from. If you're not sure, don't click anything, don't do anything with it. And that's just some things for fake emails. Thanks for watching, I hope you're well, we'll see you next time.